These drop biscuits are so easy to make and are the best tasting soft buttery biscuits. Ready in just 20 minutes, this small batch recipe delivers the perfect number of biscuits for 1 or 2 people. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. Homemade biscuits are a breakfast favorite of mine, and this simple biscuit recipe is one you'll find yourself using over and over again. So let me show you how to make it. Heat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Toss 3 tablespoons of cold salted butter that you've cut into 1/4-inch pieces into the dry ingredients. Cold butter is the secret to excellent biscuits because the butter creates steam as it melts in the hot oven. The steam from the melting butter expands between the layers of dough, and this creates pockets of air that will give you a flaky biscuit. Working quickly using your fingers or a pastry blender, rub or cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse sand. Add 1/2 cup of milk and stir just until the dough comes together. Using a large spoon, drop spoonfuls of the batter onto the baking sheet and bake until golden brown, about 12 to 15 minutes. Let them cool a few minutes after taking them out of the oven. Now cut them open. Add some butter and jam and enjoy. Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com where we have hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.